Morning everyone, myself Dr. Rupak from CDSU New Delhi as well as a former scholar from Samir Research Institute, University of Haifa would like to deliver a talk on potential xenobiotic chemical contaminant in marine environment, their source, detection, specific for morpholine and its derivative. You will be surprised to know that almost 310 kg chemical is discharged into environment, mostly air, water, soil, and out of this 310 kg, almost 65 kg are the carcinogen, and the nature of this chemical will be VOC, POP, and it will be coming from the as a source from the pesticide, fungicide, and the chemical fertilizer, the oil refinery, sewage, and many more. And 80% of 80% of this chemical is directly go to the marine environment, and they will create a lot of problem in term of biomagnification, in term of marine food safety, in term of neurotoxicity, in term of community or habitat destruction, and marine pollution. And one of the potential chemical is morpholine and its derivative. If you see the word morpholine, the name itself indicates its physical, chemical, and biological feature. And morpho means morphological, oli means oil, and in means amine. So basically, it is the amine group. And if you see the chemical structure of morpholine, they have the amine as well as the ether group. Due to presence of the amine group, this chemical has the many more application in the rubber industry, paper industry, iron industry, textile industry, personal care industry, crude oil discharge, boiler water treatment, and many more. And what happens when this chemical is discharged into environment through their discharge system, through their effluent, and it will react with NO2, HNO2, NO3, and form one carcinogenic product. And this carcinogenic product creates the cancer in terms of liver cancer and some other type of cancer. Here we will highlight that this chemical process is also going on in the biological system as well as the environment. When this chemical directly or indirectly contact with the biological system, it will go to the biological inside our biological tissue, and it will form the carcinogenic product and develop the cancer. And these are some animal study which indicate that which indicate the presence of cancer when morpholine is consumed along with the nitrite source. And unfortunately there is no any human data available. So then the second question is that how can I detect this chemical? So there is one standard method is gas chromatography analysis, and we did it, and we found that this is the solvent peak and this is the chemical peak of morpholine, and we found that one of the effluent sample has 1.29% of morpholine derivative, otherwise in the other sample the concentration is almost 0.9%. And no, the problem of the gas chromatography is that we cannot deploy in the field. So we are looking for some alternative method, and we innovate the method. And the USP of the method is that I need only 2 microliter of the reagent volume, and the total reaction volume is 300 microliter, and it will give the sensitivity of 2 to 10 ppm. Based on this novel assay, we found that the industrial effluent sample has the 5,000 ppm concentration of the morpholine, and based on this assay, now we are planning to develop a point of detection device, and with the help of this point of detection device, we can deploy in the field to estimate either any of the environment sample have the morpholine or not. And one major thing here I would like to highlight that there, like morpholine and its derivative, there are many more chemical is dissolved into environment mostly in the marine environment, and we do not have the sufficient information either what is their impact and how they impact the marine ecosystem, and many more information is still awaited. So in order to address this one, I take this chemical and we highlight that okay, this have some chemical effect and this have some health effect, and in due course of time, definitely it will create the cancer to not in the human system but also in the marine system. Thank you. If you have any question, we can happy to answer you.